Having difficulty with making money online? Try these suggestions. You probably wish to make a living online but don't know how. This is what many people are thinking because they don't bother to learn. You've taken the first step by finding this article. Read through the tips here, and you'll learn what you can do to make money when you have some extra time. Find out what you like to do if you want to earn cash online. Can you write well? Try advertising your services in content writing. Is graphic design something that you excel at? Do graphic design for other companies online. You will quickly learn what your most marketable talents are. Be sure to create a firm daily schedule. Online income is definitely tied to your ability to keep at it on a continuous basis. There is no magic road to riches. You've got to put in the hard work. Schedule each of your work days. 1 hour per day could be all it takes. Know that you need to prove your identity when you're wanting to earn a living online. Many places need validation and identification just like they would in the real world. If you do not yet have digital versions of your personal identification documentation, get them ready in advance to smooth out application processes. Tutoring is a field that is currently growing. Because of this, e-teaching can be a valid route for you to go. There are many great sites including Smart Thinking and Tutor Vista. If you're able to meet the needs of people, you may also find other opportunities coming up. Use a search engine to find online income opportunities. This will give you a wide range of options that you can undertake. Once you see something that piques your interest, try searching for reviews about the company. Use caution when selecting a company. Figure out the value of your time before getting started. If you intend to do something online to make money, what is your minimum acceptable hourly wage? If you're willing to do the job for a little bit of money, you will never make more. Potential employers will see that you don't have much self-worth and take advantage of you accordingly. It takes some research time to get to know the details of successful making money online. It will be easier, however, if you talk to those who have already walked in the shoes you're about to step into. If you can find a mentor, take advantage of them. Be willing to soak up information all of the time when making money online. Make sure you are earning money from several different sources. Online work can be hard to find and is fickle, at best. What's working for you on this day could change later on. With ample choices in streams of income, you will never be left high and dry. Doing this means that you can fall back on multiple streams of income should one falter alone. Use the skills you have in writing to come up with an e-book that can be sold online. Select a topic in which you have a great deal of knowledge and begin writing. A collection of recipes is a great idea for an e-book. There are many reputable companies that can help you make money online, but there are many scams. That's why you must be cautious prior to diving in and working through them. The Better Business Bureau is useful for learning whether an enterprise is reputable. Since you are part of a minority of information seekers, you have a better chance of earning income online. All you need is determination and knowledge. You are now ready to convert your personal skills into making revenue from the internet. Don't forget to like our video.